So hello guys. So in here, wait. First let's adjust the background. Wait,
I'm helping Lisa in her flowery garden.
background is this orange.
Sure.
And then encapsulate it to the body element. And then we have now the background. Let's do next the vertical rectangle in the middle. So here the height must be equal to the size of the height of our illustration. So the width is maybe 50. Then no, 50 pixel and put this in the middle. Position absolute, margin auto, inset 0. Then change the color here in the background. And then next would be the horizontal rectangle. So name this first horizontal, vertical, no, vertical map. And this is horizontal. This is vertical.
It's so tricky. They're trapping.
Then this is horizontal. This is horizontal. And this is the maximum width, so 400. That would occupy the whole width of the illustration. Then the height must be 50. And then the color is this way.
When something is tricky, we can work together as a team. Todos juntos. Put your hand out. Say todos juntos.
Then let's put the background for this one, also horizontal in the back of this. So copy this. This is horizontal back. Copy. Paste. Horizontal back. Just increase the height, double it. Then change the color. Change the color. Then submit. There's a cut there. Check the cut. There's a cut. Bugawang iring. Nairing ito.
Sing it with me. 6 slimy snails.
6 slimy snails. Great. Double bubble trouble. Double bubble trouble.
There's just one left. How many bags could a backpack pack if a backpack could pack bags?
How many bags could the book backpack? The book backpack. No.
You can do it, Isa. How many bags could a backpack pack?
How many bags could the book backpack? Okay, let's stop this.